Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty, but we're gonna get into my Boxycharm by Ipsy and Ipsy Glam bag and PR. Let me tell you a little story. So usually I do this way earlier in the month. It's only the 10th. I don't know when it's gonna go up, probably the 11th. Because I just got this as soon as I got home. I didn't know it was already here. So my first package, one of my neighbors stole it. It said it got delivered. And it was in one of the, it's called the parcel locker. We live in a townhouse, so we don't have like a traditional mailbox. It's in like a locker, not locker. And usually it's in like the bit larger box. We're doing shapes today, but it wasn't there. I kept thinking, oh, maybe my neighbor will drop it on my doorstep. No, it never did. So I emailed Ipsy. They emailed me back very, very quickly within like, I don't know, a few hours. And they shipped out the box, and then I got the shipping notification, and here we are. Also, last month in my paid for box, there were 2 items missing. If you watch my videos, you would remember that. I honestly forgot, so maybe you wouldn't remember that because I forgot. I was like, why did I get 2 boxes? I was like, did I get my paid for box? No. So anyway, we have the PR Ipsy Glam bag and PR Boxycharm by Ipsy I'm going to do now, as well as the 2 items that were missing in my paid for box last month. Okay, so, and I know this is not gonna get the views that it usually gets, so that's fine, but I always do these, so I'm gonna do it. So we have the Ipsy Glam bag. This is cute. One of my friends says she uses it as a purse. I think it's cute. I mean, what else would you use it for? Because it's not like sewn on. Well, I mean, it's sewn on, but like you can put your, okay. And then we have like, you know, Ipsy. It's a cute little, I like that's an actual zipper. Sometimes they put, well, I mean, they're always a zipper, but sometimes they put add-ons on there and it comes off. So we have the BYOD, Be Your Own Desire eyeshadow wand. And I don't get to make any of these choices. If you like subscription box spoilers, subscription box unboxings like this, makeup reviews, daily makeup looks that I put on my shorts, TikToks, whenever that's still gonna be, as long as TikTok's around. I don't put it up as much, I'm trying, okay? As well as daily reels and makeup shorts. And I also do eyeshadow palette rankings, hair reviews, random beauty reviews. I'll click subscribe. Okay, enough of the blabbering. So, and I also don't get to make these choices, okay? I only choose for my paid for box. And this is, it's an interesting component. I usually don't see the curve, but this looks really pretty. This is an eyeshadow wand. It doesn't really look like a wand, but it's like a stick. And it's in the shade Diamond and Pearls. I wish it showed the shade somewhere, like on the bottom or on the cap, but it doesn't. Oh, I didn't look to make sure this is cruelty free. It doesn't say anything about it, so I'm gonna look that up, but there is a shade, it's like a champagne. I like that it goes all the way down, see? Sometimes they don't, and then you get it all messed up, but it doesn't say anything about being cruelty-free or, but I don't see any beeswax or anything that would make it not vegan, but I'm gonna make sure that's cruelty-free. But it does look pretty. Oh, also look, it's like a little candy cane on the inside. And then we have, this looks like a little medicine pill. Looks like a pill. It's literally called the Lipstick Pill by Sophia and Mabel. And I didn't think this could be, my friend was saying like could be like kind of triggering, which I don't know. It's kind of weird in general. I don't know. Kind of weird to hold. It does say it's cruelty free. Let me see the ingredients. Oh, it has beeswax. Nope, we're not using that. That's gonna go to a family member. Okay, good to know. Not vegan. Glad I read it. And then we have from Glow Recipe. This is a watermelon glow niacinamide dewdrops. I don't know if I've tried the drops. I think I have. I've tried quite a few products from Glow Recipe. Not everything, but everything smells really good. So I think I'm actually gonna give that to my sister as a gift because she was just talking about how much she likes Glow Recipe. And then we have from Pink Perspective. This is the Perspective Rose Hydrogel Therapy, Collagen, Depuff, Replenish, Hyaluronic Acid. Okay, it has hydrolyzed vegetable protein, corn gluten. Don't see anything about it being cruelty free. You can get $10 off your full-size eye therapy. You scan this QR code. I don't see anything about the brand being cruelty free or vegan. It just says, oh, it says vegan, it says clean, impact lead. I just remember I left it downstairs. This was in the Ipsy Glam bag. This is the e.l.f. Sun Touchable Invisible Sunscreen, SPF 35. I do like this. This is a full size. I mean, still, it's like a dupe for the Supergoop something. Like, I think it's the Invisible Sunscreen. But this is sun protection. It has sun protection, obviously, it's a sunscreen and blurring primer. Think of it as like a silicone primer, but it's a sunscreen. So anyway, back to the best, Brianna. For the Boxycharm by Ipsy, we have, this is the Rose and Wood eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona. They never like separated it like this before. But maybe, I don't know, this is a Natasha Denona palette. But of course, I know it's going to say Carmine. I want to try these so bad, but they are not vegan. So I can't ever try them. This is like, I think because these have been shattered before, I've only repressed. My dogs are here. We can't hear. But I'm going to give this as a gift because, again, they're not vegan. But somebody was saying that this is different quality. There's only one matte and it's super, super dark. I mean, and these shimmers are like similar or what? Okay. Like, especially these two. What's that all about? Anyway, that's going to go as a gift. This, I swear I have gotten this. I think I got this in the Icon box, I want to say. This is the Dermalactives Triple Power Collagen Moisturizer. And I think I gave this away, I'm pretty sure. It does say it's cruelty-free, paraben-free. I'm trying to see what the collagen is, if it's vegan or not. But it does feel nice. It is cold. I don't know if this is a glass or not. But this is going to go to somebody because I have so many collagen products. I have vegan collagen products, retinol. I'm using tretinoin, which I don't know if it's making a difference. And then we have from Ofra. Why is this liner so big? Like, look at this. This is ginormous. This verified liquid liner. And it's drama-proof liquid liner. Okay, the ingredients are actually pretty minimal right there. But this is kind of large. I don't know why this is so big for, let's see. It has like a little holder in it. Why? Like, look. Seriously? Seriously? And it's not even, it doesn't even look black. Is it black? There's not even a shade. This is very odd to me. Do they only have one shade? Shake well, swoop and waterproof, brush tip applicator. Okay, I do like how small it is. I will try that out. Let me swatch it right now. It does look matte, so okay, I will try that because I do like brush tip liners, and usually they don't. But the packaging, guys, come on. We can just put this in there, a small little eyeliner box. We don't need that. And then from Iconic London, I actually chose this in my paid for box. I didn't like all the options, but this is the Iconic London Triple Fret Mascara, and it's in the shade brown. So my other one will go in a giveaway. But this is a vegan and cruelty-free brand. It says synthetic beeswax, but I do like the packaging. My lights are really picking up on it. I'm not gonna open this right now because I have a couple mascaras that are open, but I do like the packaging even though it's gonna be very fingerprint heavy. And then we have from Pinky Bee Beauty. This is the Perfect Lip Combo 1986. Double checking, pretty sure this is a vegan and cruelty-free brand. Oh, it's a lip gloss and a liner. Okay. Okay, I didn't like this for me. This lip gloss shade is fine, but I don't like these double-sided products. And then there's the lip liner right here. This is gonna go as a gift. I'm glad I did not choose that. I mean, it's pretty, but like, I don't need that, you know? Does it even have a shade? I don't like when they do this, where there's no shade. It just says lip liner. Okay, so out of this, give that as a gift. I'm keeping anything? The liner. And then let's see if we have any spoilers. I don't see any spoilers on that. I like when they put spoilers on these. And then whenever I see more January spoilers, I will be posting a video. Oh my God, is that Norport? Yes. Oh, for makeup. That's cool. From Instagram. And some other like Instagrammers, I believe. That's cool. December micro trends. That's really cool. Okay, so this year is shaping up to be one undupable with this one of one scent that's coming to January's Boxycharm. So it's the Gloss Modern, is it called Undupable? Crafted by the brand 18th Century House Fragrance House in France. It features notes of sparkling yuzu, lily of the valley, and warm amber for unmatched sophistication. I mean, that sounds nice. I like that. I don't see anything else though. And then let's talk about the back. Okay, depending on, I might keep this depending on, I hope it stays in the waterline, depending on if it's vegan and cruelty free. But I just don't see anything on here. Everything else is gonna be a gift. So kind of a bust, but whatever. And then I'll show you the items that I was missing. Okay, so lastly, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner that I picked last month for my paper box in Deep Taupe. Does this look like the same shade? Or am I like losing my mind? This kind of looks like a dark, okay, maybe, all right. It smells like wood because it's wooden. I haven't tried any of these lip liners before that I know of. I don't have a shade like that. I am wearing a lipstick, the LYS lipstick. Ooh, I don't know. It doesn't feel dry, but it doesn't feel like ridiculously creamy. Like it's just in a slight off. I liked that. And it's a pretty big pencil. I like that color a lot. And I know these are like $22 lip liners, but I like that a lot. And then I also, this was my, I believe, boost product, my beauty boost product. This is from Ole Henriksen. This is the Utopia 5% Acid Firming Night Cream. I'm kind of over all the firming products, okay? I use tretinoin. I haven't noticed a difference yet. I've been using it for, I think, like a month-ish. And we always get all these like firming products, anti-aging products. I'm like, we can only try so many. You're not really supposed to mix all of them. So, and then also it takes a while to see results. So it's supposed to help with dark spots, hydrates, firms, reduces the look of dark spots, fine lines, wrinkles, AHAs. So, but I do like that it's a moisturizer. So on days that I'm not using tretinoin, I usually switch like every 2 days. But yeah, I'm excited about this. So that's what I got. Stay tuned for my January spoilers and unboxing whenever I get that, as well as my paid for December box that should be coming soon. And if you enjoy videos like this, I would click subscribe, like, let me know, do you get Boxycharm, or do you guys just like watching videos, or are you just finding my channel? I'm very curious. And I always end my videos with, you can't take care of others unless you take care of yourself. Stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy. My form of self-care is for beauty. What is your form of self-care? Because it's important to always take care of you, number one. And I hope to see you in my next video.